Today I'm unboxing the new iPhone 17 in mist blue. Been waiting for this color since it dropped and now it's finally here. This is the base regular iPhone 17 with 256 gigs of storage, and here in Slovakia this one sets you back almost $1,000. That's tax included. Yeah, not cheap, right? But at least we are not stuck on 128 gigs of storage, right? So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's check it out, see how it looks. And man, this unboxing ritual never gets old. Ooh, okay. I quite like this. Oh man. First impressions, I'm really feeling this. That shine, that finish. Bro, Apple really nailed it with this shade. Not gonna lie, this mist blue is straight fire. Honestly, they should have dropped this on the Pro and on the Air too. It's one of those colors you instantly know this is the one. By the way, this phone is actually for my wife as she's upgrading from her iPhone 15, and we're gonna compare them side by side in a bit. But yeah, she wasn't sure at first which color to choose, so I picked this color for her. But now, seeing this color in my hands, I'm sure she's gonna love it. And look at the camera here. It's got that nice dark blue accent around those lenses. Wow, that's such a nice touch. Alright, let's peel this off from the screen so we can check out the display right away. And let's boot it up as well. And man, I just can't get enough of this mist blue color. Like, every angle gives you a slightly different vibe. Sometimes icy, sometimes deeper. Love that. By the way, later on this video I'm going to show it to you in low light, in sunlight and all of that. So if you're curious about how this phone looks in different lighting, stay tuned. Okay, now let's quickly check what's in the box. It's pretty standard. We get that braided USB-C cable, startup guide, and yeah, that's it. No stickers, no charger. You already know. Apple is saving the planet, man, and they're also saving their margins, I guess. But dude, check out this mist blue aluminum sides. They match the back glass so good. It's like one smooth color all around. Honestly, probably one of the cleanest side-to-back matches I've seen yet. And yeah, we still get the SIM tray here, which is cool, at least for us in Europe. No eSIM only nonsense just yet, except for the iPhone Air, of course. Okay, and here we go, both phones side by side. We got the iPhone 17 right here with that killer mist blue, and the iPhone 15 in super light blue, which honestly just looks kinda washed out, almost like the white with a tiny bit of blue tint. I mean, like the 15's fine, but next to the 17, yeah, I think we have a clear winner here. From the side, you can really see the difference. The 15's aluminum edges basically look pure silver, while the 17's got that nice blue pop. Plus, you get the new camera button from last year right here. And size-wise, the 17 is a little bigger, so in theory, it should have better battery life. Alright, let's talk upgrades now. So, if you're coming from the 15, I would say this is actually a solid step up, like not mind-blowing but definitely an upgrade. The biggest thing you will notice right away is the 120Hz display, and man, it makes such a difference. Just look at the slow-mo compression, no more choppy 60Hz, it's buttery smooth, and honestly, once you have this, you can't go back. You also get the always-on display, which used to be a Pro-only feature until now. Storage got a nice bump too. Base model starts at 256 gigs, but what I'm most hyped about is the new 18 megapixel front-facing camera. Like, that alone might be worth the upgrade for a lot of people. Just see for yourself. Yeah, this is pure fire. Alright, let's head outside and check how this mist blue looks, both in sunlight and in natural light. So Rhino Shield was kind enough to send me a few cases to try out, and I'm not gonna lie, a couple of them just didn't really fit the way I expected. Like this clear case, for example. I was trying to pop the phone in from different angles, but it just wasn't happening. And with a hard plastic case, I didn't want to risk damaging the phone by forcing it. So yeah. Now I will say I do kinda like their ocean blue solid X case. This texture feels nice actually, and it's MagSafe compatible, so this one is solid. And it matches pretty well with the Mist Blue too, which is pretty cool. But here's the thing, my wife wanted a blue on pink combo, so I just grabbed this random silicone pink case from a local store and boom, it fit right in. And honestly, I'm kinda digging this combo too. You don't really see much of the Mist Blue on the phone itself, just the deep blue accent around the camera, but I actually think it looks pretty sick. And just for fun, here's a quick side-by-side with the iPhone 15 in its silicone case and the new iPhone 17. You can really see here just how much bigger the 17 is. Alright bros, that's it for the iPhone 17 in Mist Blue. I will drop a full review once I had more time with it, but for now, what do you guys think? Are you upgrading this year or are you sticking with what you got? Drop your comments down below. Until next time, Joey signing out.